Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing my makeup and also showing you guys the wig that I made. And so I got this hair from Ishow hair a few weeks ago, and I made a wig out of it, and I cut it. I'm going to be putting it on for you guys today so that you guys can see. It is a 4 bundle and a closure, and it is 324" and 18" hair. So before I get talking or doing anything, I'm just going to go and put on my foundation. And the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Fenty Beauty. I've been using this foundation for a while now, but you know what, I never did a review on it because there's so many reviews already and I'm always late. I don't have the money to be getting the latest makeup to review for you guys. One day we might get there, we will get there, but for right now I'm not there yet. So I'm just going to put on my foundation off camera and I will be back. So guys, I'm just going to continue with the voiceover because I lost some of the audio on this videos, and I've been having issues like this on my camera whenever I record, and some of the part will be missing, or there will be no audio, or the audio will be very very low. Even though I put it to 400%, it's still very low. So I'm just going to be doing voiceover for now until I figure out the new camera that I just bought. As I mentioned before, I just switched to the Canon 80D, and it's still hard for me to figure it out how it works. And guys, if you guys have any suggestion for me or have any videos that could help me understand this camera more, please copy your link there and I'll be really happy to watch it and learn something more. So from the Jackie Anya palette, I'm just using the two purple eyeshadows that was in there. There was a light eyeshadow purple one, and there was a matte one and there was a shimmery one. So those are the two colors that I was just using. It was just like a basic eyeshadow look that you can create in less than a minute, so it didn't take me long. So after when I was done creating the eyeshadow look, I went ahead to put on my eyelashes and highlighter and everything. As you can see, this is a very very simple look that you can rock. And with the lips that I went with was also a purple lips. At first I wasn't feeling the look, but when I was done with the whole face, it was looking so beautiful. I wish I had somewhere to go that night, but I don't go anywhere. I'm mostly just home and work, and yeah, that's what I usually do. So I'm setting my face with the setting spray. I use 2 setting spray. I used the I think I'm going to leave the names down below. And yeah, and I went ahead on the palette. There is a beautiful golden colors in there, and it was perfect for me to create a highlighter on my face. Guys, with this palette I felt like it had everything. I could use that one palette to create the whole face, my eye, my lip, my cheek, my blush, everything. Like, it was really perfect. I think the eyeshadow palette is really really good, especially for dark skin. It's amazing. Jackie did a great job. And yeah, I'm just going ahead and let you guys finish watching this video. Please guys, support my channel by watching my videos. Come back for more and subscribe. Please share with your friends and family, and I'm going to see you guys at the end. And guys, let me know, do you like this kind of hair on me? This is I think my second wavy hair. I think it's a Brazilian hair that I got from Ishow hair. I have to say the hair is gorgeous, beautiful. The length was just perfect, but I wish I could have like mixed it up a little bit, like a 24, 22, 20, 18, and yeah. but I had of 4 bundles were all 24" and it was super long and it was super gorgeous. And the closure that I used for this that I got for this week, it was amazing. Do you know, I'm going to leave all the link down below, guys. You can go and order your own hair, and it was very inexpensive too. You can go and order and rock your as well. So I'm going to let you guys finish this watching this video. Let me know if you love this look on me. Let me know if this makeup, I mean the purple, would like stand out, how it looks like. Just leave a comment, let's have a conversation. I'm really happy to read all your guys comment and respond back. So continue watching.